Phishing warnings often tell users that something is dangerous without explaining why. So we built PhishLens, a browser extension that detects phishing behavior in real time, shows the evidence behind its decision, and intervenes before sensitive information is submitted. So right here we have this is a harmless local simulation created specifically for our demonstration. This page contains no real phishing forms or malicious payloads, so the initial page analysis is low risk. However, PhishLens does check its local and server-side threat intelligence indexes without visiting the destination. So we'll take this page for example. As you can see, it shows the overall risk score, its findings. Uh, there's a technical switch, which shows a technical analysis or a more simpler analysis, recommended actions, threat intelligence feeds. So here we have four data sets included, all open source, which will display something if it does find something. And then here we have integrated an AI model called Olama, which will give us a security analysis explanation. And this is connected through an AWS server, which we haven't connected to this extension. Over here, we also have settings, which you can display certain things or exclude certain things in your pop-up. For now, I won't manipulate the settings. So as you can see, it gives you a detailed explanation with evidence citations. And then if you switch over to the technical analysis, it also gives you a score breakdown. So it will give you a score report individually and justify why it gives you the score breakdown. If you do feel the need to report a phishing page, which you almost always should do, you can report a page here to Google Safe Browsing, and you can report suspicious links, pages, or false positives. So yeah, what it can also do, it will also stop credentials from being submitted if it deems that a page is dangerous. So here I'll just put in a fake username and password. Here's the pop-up. You can view evidence. It gives you the score, justifications. You can proceed, leave the page, stuff like that. And here we can display how we use Codex. So we use Codex powered by GPT 5.6 as our development partner. It helped us turn the product scope into a modular architecture, implement the page, inform detectors, build a scoring pipeline and interface, generate a safe simulation pages, and create unit integration and adversarial tests. So GPT also helped us review privacy boundaries and debug interactions across the extension, across the backend, the threat intel pipeline, and accelerated our development while our team reviewed the security decisions and verified the resulting behavior. So PhishLens, again, it combines deterministic detection, transparent evidence, understandable explanations, and intervention at the moment it matters. It helps users understand the warning and act before their information is lost. Thank you very much.